Hi friends, I am Parvati Krishnan. Today's topic is preservation of food as sugar concentrates. In last week, we had seen the preparation of jam and jelly in this topic. So today we will continue the remaining parts of this topic. Let us see the preparation of preserve, squash and marmalades. This is our contact details. If you have any doubts, you can contact us. First, we will see the definition of preserve. A mature fruit or vegetable or its pieces impregnated with heavy sugar syrup till it becomes tense and transport is known as preserve. It is made from matured unripe fruit by cooking large cut pieces of fruits or small whole fruit in heavy syrup. Some fruits like pumpkins, peaches, amla, ginger, mango, carrot, papaya, pineapple, strawberry, cherry, pears, figs are used to preserve. Now we will see the method of preparation. Here I am going to tell about the preparation of mango preserve. Step 1. Selection and preparation of fruit. Select fully developed fruit, firm, slightly underripe. Wash and remove the peel. Cut it into large well-shaped pieces and keep in 2% of brine solution. Brine solution means salt solution. To prevent darkening, wrap the slices in muslin cloth and soften them by dipping in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Then spread the slices on a clean and puncture them with a fork. Step 2. Preparation of syrup. Take 1 kilogram of sugar and make it to syrup by boiling with 300 ml of water by adding 2 gram of citric acid per kilogram of sugar. In the preparation of fruit preserve, the total sugar concentrate is around 50 to 70%. This is done by the addition of concentrated sugar or corn syrup, which gives shiny or glossy or glazed appearance. Step 3. Addition of pre-cooked fruit pieces. Add the prepared mango slices to the syrup. Continue boiling till the temperature reaches to about 106 to 107 degrees Celsius. Step 4. Packaging, cooling and storage. Transfer the product to a clean, syrup sterilized jar after draining excess syrup if present. Fix the cap and seal it. Allow it to cool and store in a cool dry place. So, these are all the steps for the preparation of mango preserve. Let us see the cooking process of fruit preserves. There are 3 different ways of cooking of fruits in syrups for making fruit preserves. In all these processes, during and after cooking fruits should be kept covered with syrup. Otherwise, it will dry up and quality will be impaired. Following are the different methods of processing fruits. They are open kettle process, slow open kettle process and vacuum cooking. Open kettle process. The usual process of preparation of fruit preserves consists of boiling the fruit in steam jacketed kettle with sugar until the syrup of heavy density is obtained and fruit is thoroughly impregnated with the syrup. The syrup should be cooked concentrated till it attains the boiling point of 105.5 degrees Celsius. The drawback of this method is a serious injury to the flavor and color of the finished product. Slow open kettle process. In this process, fruit in the solution of 39 to 40% sugar and boiled long enough to tender the fruit but not soft. The mixture is then kept aside for 24 hours. More sugar is added to increase the sugar concentration to 10% above that of fruit syrup. The mixture is then boiled for a short time, usually 3 to 4 minutes, and is kept aside again 24 hours. The process is repeated until the product is of derived consistency. It is then placed in the final containers and sterilized. Absorption of sugar is better in this process. And finally, vacuum cooking. Fruits that are to be cooked in vacuum should first be cooked sufficiently at atmospheric pressure to tender. Vacuum cooked preserves are superior in flavor and odor to preserves made in open kettles. The syrup should be of 30 to 35 brick and it is concentrated along with the fruits. Under vacuum, firm fruits are concentrated rapidly in order to retain the color and flavor of fruits. Next one is the squash. It is diluted being served. Squash can be prepared from a wide variety of fruits. They are mango, mandarin orange, lime, guava, anola, pineapple, papaya, lychee, pomegranate, plum, etc. Preparation of squash. First, take the ripe fruits, then wash, trim and cut it. Then extract the pulp or juice, then strain it and measure the juice. Then prepare the syrup and strain it. Then add the syrup in juice. Then add the preservatives. Then pour it in a bottle and put a cap. Then store it in a cool, dry place. Then next one is the marmalades. It is a jelly-like product made from citrus fruits and properly prepared out of fruit juice and sugar. Marmalade is a fruit jelly which contains slices of fruit or fruit peel. The term marmalade is generally used for the product prepared from orange or lemon containing acid. This provides good taste and flavor. Specification for marmalade. Generally, marmalades are of two types. They are jelly marmalades and jam marmalades. Jelly marmalade is made of clear pectin extract and the other one is made out of fruit pulp or juice residue. So now we will come to the preparation of marmalade. Step 1. Selection and preparation of fruit. Loose or tight skinned oranges can be used. Wash the fruit and in case of loose skinned orange, remove the peels by hand or if tight skinned peel of the outer skin using a steel knife retaining as much as white peel. The outer yellow portion contains color and volatile oil which are called flavido and the inner white peel called albedo only contains pectin. Peels are shredded into small pieces. Some amount is used to extract pectin while others have been kept for being added to the marmalade. Step 2. Preparation of peel. Peels are cut into threads of 1 inch long and are boiled to 10 to 15 minutes in several changes of water to soften and remove the bitter principles. These are kept covered within water for later use. Process of preparation of marmalade is similar to that of jelly and consists of following steps. Step 3. Preparation of fruit extract. The peeled fruits are cut into pieces and crushed. 100 ml of water is added to 1 kg of fruit pieces and some amount of peel is also added to it. The mixture is cooked for 30 minutes with crushing while cooking and it is filtered through a coarse muslin cloth. The residue is again extracting by boiling water and allows the extract to stand overnight in a refrigerator. Next day, use the clear suspended juice for the preparation. Step 4. Addition of pectin and acids. Test for pectin is carried out as described earlier. If low, 5 gram of synthetic pectin is added and if acid is low, add 2 gram of citric acid. Step 5. Addition of sugar and cooking. 1 kg of sugar is added to 1 liter of fruit extract and the mixture is cooked. Add the orange peel, Shred till the product attains a temperature of 105.5 degrees Celsius. Citric acid is added just 5 minutes before removing from fire. Sheet test for doneness is carried out as for jelly. Removing from fire. Sheet test for doneness is carried out as for jelly. Step 6. Packaging, cooling and storage. Pour the product into clean, dry, sterilized jars. Fix the lid airtight and allow it to cool and store in a cool, dry place. Finally, we have come to the end. So, these are all the steps to be followed for the preparation of preserve, squash and marmalades. In next class, we will see another interesting topic. Thank you for watching us.